What's up everybody, thanks for checking out the channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to install, that's not true, we're not installing, we're adjusting. Today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust a pocket door. So these things have some adjustability both on the left and right side. The doors come with a little key, a little Allen key. You could probably get one at Home Depot, I know you can. And you can adjust these if need be. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you how to do this. So this is one side of the hardware. Before I put this jam on here, you can see that the little wrench that it comes with fits nicely up in there, no problem. And to take the pocket door down, on this side of the door, we've got a little clasp, and you can just pop this guy out. A little tool might be helpful. There, you pop him out, and then you can actually lift on the door and slide it out from the channel here. There's a channel on the top. So anyway, so since that, once the door is finished and you want to adjust it, you have to sneak this little Allen key in here and get it right up here. And you can adjust by twisting left and right. So you can see that, I don't know if you can see that, but the door actually dropped a little bit. And you just want to twist left or right, and it'll bring the door up or down. So you can do that on the left side and the right side. And then by pulling up the left side, so by pulling up on that side, this will get not tighter, but the bottom will get looser. So, and vice versa. If you pull up on this side, it'll open up this gap and close up the bottom. So keep in mind too with your latch, my latch isn't in yet, but once the latch goes in, you've got to be mindful of where that latch is, and you might have to adjust the plate, the catch plate. So just because you might end up pulling up on the door. So you don't want to pull up too high, but if you're rubbing or if something's just catching, your door's not working the way it should, you can check out the bumper video, which I'll put up here, and you can check the whole installation guide over somewhere on the screen. I'll put a little pop-up so you can check those videos out too. And as always, smash that thumbs up. There we go, you can see my thumb. Smash that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, be more content coming. See you on the next one.